that is this Dr.Trust best compressor nebulizer. Okay, so when we'll be using these devices, like whenever there is so much of cough or congestion and difficulty in breathing, the doctors usually suggest us to inhale a medicine by this device, so which will help us to clear and help us to breathe well. Okay, so we all can have this device at our homes and use it regularly if you are facing these difficulties. Okay, so this device is very simple to use and it's not so costly. So I've ordered this device from Amazon. I'll post the link in the description, you can follow that. And it costed me around 1300. It's not so costly. So come, let's unbox this device and see what all it contains and how to use it as well. Let me open this box and see what all we have in this. Yeah, these are the parts of the device. So first main important part is this one. This is a flow controller. This has got a small knob here which will help us to control the flow of the medicine. And this is the place where we load our medicine inside this box, and it has a reading as well, we can see. So we have to load the medicine inside this, and this is the flow controller. We have to fit it like this, very simple. And next we have a set of masks. There are 2 masks given with this device. One is a big one which is used as adult mask, and there is a child mask as well. I'll show you that. Yeah, this is a child mask which is smaller in size. And next what we have, this is a small connector which will connect from the flow controller to the pipe. Next is, this is the air pipe to which the moisture will flow. And what else we have? Yeah, so apart from the mask, we can also inhale the moisture into our mouth directly. So this is a mouthpiece which is used, and we can also inhale the moisture into our nose directly when we are feeling the congestion in the nose. So this is the nose piece. And there is one last part. So you can see this small sponge like balls, so which are used for air purifying. Okay, let me open the main device now. Yeah, and this is the last and main part, the device, where we have to connect this device to the electricity, and there is a switch given for on and off for power control. And let me show you where to fix this air purifier. There is a small knob here which will open by turning, and if we pull it out, so here I've already placed the air purifier. You can see the small sponges, we have to fit it here. So once the color of this sponge will change by the dust, we have to replace it. Okay, that's all. There is one more place here where we'll fix our pipe. Yeah, this air pipe which I have shown earlier will go here, and the other part of this pipe will be connected to the flow controller. Okay, that's all about the parts of this device which we have. I'll connect all this part and show how it works. It's very simple. Yeah, I have connected this wire to electricity. I'll show a quick demo of how this device will work. So first thing is we have to connect to electricity. Then let me connect this air pipe to the device here. Yeah, done. Next, the other end of the pipe will go to the flow controller like this. Yeah, Ideally we have to put the medicine inside this flow controller. Now I'm using water for the demo purpose. So I've opened the knob. I'm filling water into the flow controller. I'll show you the reading as well, so we can see the reading here. So how much ever is required, we can fill that much quantity of the medicine. Then put the knob back. We have to put it straight so that it fits into the needle inside this correctly. And just now this device is ready with medicine filled inside this. Let me use this connector to connect to the flow controller and the mask. So since I'm wearing the mask in this direction, I'm fitting this part and turning it towards my face so that I can inhale. Then I'm taking the mask and I'm fitting this to the other opening. We can just fix and turn it to the direction whichever we want. That's all. The device is ready. Now all the setup is ready. I'll wear the mask and show you how it works. Let me turn on the power. Just show you how the mist comes out of this device when we turn on, and also we can see it makes a bit of sound, how it will be. This is the minimum amount of mist coming out. So we can also control the flow of mist using this knob, as I mentioned. When I turn this knob, amount of mist will also increase. So we can adjust to the level of how much mist we want. You can inhale the mist and you can also change it with the mouthpiece or the nosepiece, and you will feel the congestion will be reduced and you will be able to breathe easily. And when to stop it, like we can see the medicine level here. When the medicine will be empty, it's time to stop. So we can stop the device and stop inhaling. So friends, that's all about this very useful device, that is Dr.Trust Best Compressor Nebulizer. So I hope you have find this video very useful. You can also try this if you are feeling any congestion or cough. You can order this and use at your home. Okay. Last but not the least, please do subscribe to our channel. You can view all other videos of other categories also, and please support us. And see you back in the next video. Bye.